Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a profile backlink on about.me. So let's get started. First, head over to about.me and click on Get Your Free Page. Now you have to sign up and you have two options. You can sign up with Facebook or Google. So I'll continue with Google. Click on Sign in with Google. Now select your Gmail. Click Continue. Write your business name. Click Next. Enter your location. Click Next. Now select your 5 interests. Click Next. Now select your occupation or hobby. Click Next. Now click on Hire Me button. Add your website URL here. Let me copy mine and paste it here. Make sure you enter the correct address. Now click Next. Now you can add your website logo here. Now click on Looks Good. Now choose your design. I'll go with this one. Click Next. Now choose your color. Click Next. Now click on Continue with the free page. So this username is available. I'll go with this one. Click Next. Click Next. Now click on Show My Page. Now click Next. Now click here and click on Bio. Now enter your bio here. Let's copy and paste it here. Click Save. Now click on Get Visits to your page. And here is your profile link. Let's copy it and open it in the new tab. So your profile backlink is ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and let me know in the comments what platform you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.